how to bookmark on Twitter. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play and just search for Twitter right here. And after you search for it, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Okay, and afterwards what you're gonna do, you're gonna just open up the Twitter app. Now what I'm gonna do in this case, as you can see, there is an example video appearing to me. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, let me just open up the video right here, or open up the tweet. And after you open your tweet, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just simply go ahead and click the favorites or the bookmark right here. In this case, I'm gonna just go ahead and add it, and as you can see, this post has been added to your bookmarks. And if you want to get back to it later, and if you want to know how to find it later, just go back to your home page, swipe left and swipe left again, and just go ahead right here. You will see the bookmarks kind of icon right here appearing to you, and you will find the video that you just added to your bookmark. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.